If you are watching this video and you have Igwe's number, please call him and tell him to bring my award.
I'll just do that to tell Igwe, say me they organize an award for you.
Because this ofe akwu that I made,
you need the award.
Oh my goodness, it was really good. Let me put you through how I made it. Start by boiling your protein of choice. I'm using some goat meat, some pomo, and some stockfish flesh. Season accordingly and just allow it to cook. I didn't add some water. You can add if you want to. Then I'm now going to add in your palm fruit, that's your banga, into your pot. And then I'm going to add in some water and cover and allow that to cook and boil so that the banga is softened. Into my Rolex Caterpillar rolled blender, I added some pepper, some tomatoes, some shombo, and some tatache, and some yellow habanero too. Please, tomatoes is optional. If you don't want to add, please just pass. Don't start shouting at me and telling me don't add tomatoes. I add tomatoes, nothing happened. It was really nice. Okay, by now your banga must have softened, and if in 2025 you are still using mortar and pestle to pound banga, please go home.
Cynthia Ofori, go.
I used my Redloss multipurpose food processor for this, and when I was done, this was what I had. Adding some hot water into that to extract the juice from the banga. Now you can dilute this with some cold water so the hot water does not scald you, okay? Now I'm going to extract the juice very well. Just squeeze it like this, the way you can see me squeezing it. And then when you are done, you're going to take out this whole shaft and the whole nut from the water. You'll be left with the juice afterwards. When you are done, transfer that juice into your pot on fire. Now I use the sieve because I wanted the sieve to help me trap any other dirt and debris that was beneath the whole oil thing. Do you understand? So now you're going to cook this oil till it is cooked down. While that is happening, into your pan, you're going to toast some crayfish, some ukbei, that's, yes, locust beans, ukbei, and then some ehuru. You're going to toast that very well, and when you're done, you're going to go ahead to blend it. I'm using the Redloss multipurpose food processor again, but this time around the dry milk grinder. This thing is small but mighty, honestly. The way it crushes hard things, it's so shocking. Now check on your banga. By now it must have cooked down a little. Add in your pepper mix. They are now going to stir it properly, cover it, and allow it to cook further again. Now when it has cooked, you're going to go ahead and add in that blend of crayfish, okpei, and ehuru that you blended. Add in your protein. I added the goat meat off camera. I lost the clip. I added the goat meat I earlier boiled off camera. I now added some cow leg. I added some dry fish also. Season to taste and cover it and allow it to cook till you see the oil comes afloat like this. This is the indication that your ofe akwu has come together. You're going to garnish this with some scent leaves and some ugu leaves. They're going to stir properly and then allow it to simmer a little, or you can even just turn off the heat at this point. And that's it. Your ofe akwu is ready. Do you guys know that this is the first time I'm making ofe akwu? And the way it was so nice. I really enjoyed it. I had it with rice, but I know it will bang better with some pounded yams. Will you be trying this? And you will in the comments. Did I do well? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.